4 minutes. We have exactly 4 minutes until our formal neighbor arrives, and I just turned our dessert into charcoal. Okay, stay calm, Lisa. To keep things interesting while I try not to cry, I've hidden 5 politeness words in the story. When a word pops up, a timer starts. Can you guess the meaning? Let's see if you can survive a formal English dinner. Our neighbor, Mr. Henderson, is coming for dinner. He's very formal, thinks suits and ties, and my family is... well, you're about to see. Mark! Is the door locked? Are the toys off the floor?
Why would I lock the door, honey? We want him to come in, but I did find a half-eaten sandwich under the sofa. Scar!
Right. Nervous energy. Deep breaths. Jake, buddy, are you dressed for a fancy dinner?
I'm half ready, Mommy. Business on the top, party on the bottom. Roar!
Oh, he's here.
Aha, Mr. Henderson. Right on time as always. Come on in, watch your step. There's a Lego minefield right by the rug.
Good evening, Mark. I realize I am precisely 30 seconds early. I do hope I'm not intruding.
Not at all, not even a little. We were just discussing Jake's pants, or lack thereof. Actually, Mr. Henderson, would you mind making yourself at home in the living room for just a second? Lisa is just putting the finishing touches on the ambiance.
Did you hear that? Make yourself at home. It's a very common English idiom. It means to relax and feel comfortable as if it were your own house. Write that one down. What does intruding mean? A, bringing a gift. B, entering when not wanted. C, being early. Please, come in, Mr. Henderson. I'm Lisa. Ignore the smell of charcoal. It's a new candle fragrance. Very rustic.
A pleasure to meet you, Mrs. Whitmore. You have a very vibrant home. Lots of energy. It's quite a change of pace. My own home is rather tranquil. One could hear a pin drop most evenings.
Oh, we don't do tranquil here. We do organized chaos. It's much more exciting, don't you think? Vibrant. That's one word for it. We try to be very hospitable to everyone on the block. Can I take your coat? What does hospitable mean? A, friendly and welcoming. B, being very quiet. C, working in a clinic.
It's appreciated. Most people in this city just stare at their phones. It's nice to see a family actually interacting.
Mr. Henderson, why is your hair so shiny? Is it made of plastic?
Jake, buddy, we don't ask guests about their hair products or their plastic-to-hair ratio.
It's quite all right. It's just discipline, young man. A little gel and a lot of rules.
Do you have discipline for your shoes, too? They look like mirrors. I can see my dinosaur pants in them.
I suppose they are quite polished. I find it's important to put one's best foot forward.
Right. Best feet. Speaking of feet, drinks. Would you like some water, tea, or some juice that tastes like the color purple?
I'll take the tea, thank you. Purple is a bit much for me this late.
Mark, why don't you show Mr. Henderson that special collection you're so proud of? I need to save the kitchen.
Oh, right. So, Mr. Henderson, while most people collect stamps, I collect vintage staplers. They really hold things together, you know?
Staplers? How specific?
Specific? It's a science. This 1950 model has a patina that you just can't find anymore. It's not just a tool, it's a piece of history.
Mark is in his element now. That's another great idiom. When you are in your element, you are doing something you are very good at. What is your element?
This one here is from 1950. Look at those curves. The design is truly exquisite.
What does exquisite mean? A, very cheap. B, beautiful and delicate. C, very old.
It is remarkably heavy. I feel like I could build a bridge with this.
I used it to staple my homework to the wall once. It stayed there for 3 weeks.
And we're still trying to fix the holes in that wall, aren't we, Jake?
It looks like art now. I colored around them.
As Mark was explaining the curves of his 1950 stapler, the smell of turkey finally forced us into the dining room. But the stapler wasn't the biggest surprise of the night. That came when the extra firm potatoes hit the table. Dinner is served. Everyone to the table. Please watch the art on the wall on your way in.
This looks like quite a feast, Mrs. Whitmore.
Mr. Henderson, would you like to say grace or should we just dive right in? We're a bit informal, but we want to respect your traditions.
Let's just dive in, as you say. I'm curious about these modern potatoes.
I've been in the kitchen since 2 p.m. Honestly, I think it's the best meal in the entire state.
Now, honey, I love your cooking, but calling it the best in the state might be a bit of a reach.
What does a bit of a reach mean? A, an exaggeration. B, easy to do. C, to grab something. Oh, hush, Mark. Taste the potatoes first. They're a Whitmore specialty.
They are very crunchy.
Are they supposed to be crunchy, Mom? They sound like gravel.
They aren't burnt. Haha. They are just extra firm. It's a new modern style of cooking. Very trendy.
I've never had potatoes with a snap before. It's certainly a sensory experience.
It's a Whitmore family secret, Mr. Henderson.
The secret is Mom forgot to turn the oven on for the first hour and then turned it up to sun mode.
Thank you for your brutal honesty, Jake. Phew, is it hot in here?
It's a lively dinner, I must say. Very different from my usual bird-watching evenings.
Oh, bird watching? What do you do for fun besides that?
I enjoy silent meditation, just me and the quiet.
That sounds boring. Do the birds ever do backflips or wear hats?
Not usually, no. But I'll keep an eye out for hats.
You know, Mr. Henderson, they say variety is the spice of life. Maybe a little chaos is exactly what a birdwatcher needs once in a while.
Variety is the spice of life means that having different experiences makes life more interesting. Is your life spicy or mild today?
We have a lot of birds in our backyard, mostly just noisy crows that try to steal the dog's food, though.
Mr. Henderson, you've barely touched your turkey. Is it the seasoning? Too much sage?
It's a very generous portion, truly. The presentation is unique.
You're hiding it under your napkin. I saw you. You're making a turkey tent.
Jake, that is enough. We don't spy on our guests' napkins.
No, the boy is right. I've been caught. To be frank, I've been a vegetarian for 20 years. I didn't want to be a bother.
A vegetarian? Oh my goodness, I feel like I've put my foot in it. This is exactly why it's always good to ask about dietary requirements beforehand.
To put your foot in it means to accidentally say or do something embarrassing. Lisa feels terrible, but Mr. Henderson is being a good sport about it.
What does to be frank mean? A, to be honest. B, to be angry. C, to be funny. Oh no, I am so incredibly sorry.
Please don't apologize.
We have plenty of salad and a mountain of extra firm potatoes.
The potatoes I can definitely eat. I actually like them. They have character.
See? High five.
Thank you for being so patient with us.
You really are a very hospitable family, even if things are a bit chaotic.
Great job following along, everyone. That was a close one, wasn't it? Now let's check your answers and see if you pass the politeness challenge. Intruding. B, entering when not wanted. Hospitable. A, friendly and welcoming. Exquisite. B, beautiful and delicate. A bit of a reach. A, an exaggeration. To be frank. A, to be honest and direct. So, how many did you get right? Tell us in the comments. Homework time! Tell us about a food you really dislike. Start with, to be frank, I don't like.